Hey guys, it's me again, and today I'm going to be doing a double feature PlayStation 4 game opening. It'll be consisting of Jumanji the video game and SpongeBob SquarePants Battle for Bikini Bottom Rehydrated. First we're going to do the opening to Jumanji the video game. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. So yeah, that's the opening to Jumanji the video game. And next we're going to do SpongeBob Battle for Bikini Bottom. As I said, hope you enjoy.
Are you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
I can't hear you!
Aye, aye, Captain!
Oh! Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
SpongeBob SquarePants!
As Stormin and yellow and porous is he?
SpongeBob SquarePants!
If not nonsense, be something you wish.
Okay, so that's that. Hope you enjoyed it. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. And hope you liked my first double feature PlayStation 4 game opening, and stay tuned for my second one, which will be tomorrow. Yep, see ya guys, thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next video, and goodbye. Peace.